Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already made a backup and enabled a child theme. Good. First, identify the header selector using your browser's Inspect tool so you change the right element. Once done, open Appearance right arrow customize right arrow additional CSS or edit your child theme style. CSS. This keeps updates safe. Start by adding a temporary background rule to override transparency. This proves you targeted the selector. Do this now so later steps modify behavior rather than hunting for the selector. Next, write the CSS that replaces transparent behavior. For example, set background, RGBA 255, 255, 255, 0, 95, add transition, background, 25's ease, and ensure z-index keeps the header above content. Then refine padding, height, and logo dimensions so layout remains consistent. Test at mobile breakpoints with media queries. If your rule doesn't show, increase selector specificity rather than blanket. Important. You do this to maintain predictable overrides and avoid breaking other theme styles when you finalize the header. Finish by saving CSS in the child theme or customizer, and then clear all caches, browser, caching plugin, and CDN so you see changes. Verify pages with transparent header templates and check sticky behavior if used. If the style still doesn't appear, inspect for selector specificity, plugin or theme builder conflicts, or server-side caching. Disable plugins temporarily to isolate the issue. Finally, remove temporary debug rules and keep only the minimal, well-scoped CSS that fix the transparency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.